Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a delicious and easy recipe for you. Mini semolina cakes with honey. These little treats are perfect for any occasion, whether you're serving them with tea or coffee. But before we dive into the recipe, make sure to hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you never miss any of our new tasty recipes. Trust me, you'll want to watch this video till the end because this recipe is absolutely worth trying. Let's get started by grabbing a large bowl. We'll begin by adding 2 cups of fine semolina along with a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Next, we'll add half a cup of regular sugar and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, which will give our dough a subtle sweetness. Don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder to help our mini cakes rise beautifully. Now, we'll add a teaspoon of soft butter and half a cup of vegetable oil. Start mixing everything together until you get a crumbly texture. This step is crucial because evenly distributing the butter and oil ensures that the dough will be soft and will achieve that lovely golden color when cooked. Next, we'll gradually add a cup of water, followed by a tablespoon of natural honey, which adds a rich flavor and a touch of sweetness to the dough. Slowly bring the dough together until it's soft and pliable. Cover it and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Resting allows the dough to absorb all the flavors and makes it easier to shape. Once the dough has rested, start shaping it into small balls. Then use any small mold or cutter you have on hand to shape the dough into equal-sized mini cakes. Making sure they're all the same size ensures that they cook evenly and look great when served. Now, heat a skillet over medium heat and place the mini cakes in it. Make sure the heat is moderate to low so that they cook evenly and develop a beautiful golden color without burning. Be patient and give them time to cook through for the perfect result. Finally, once the mini cakes are cooked, take them out of the skillet and serve them with a drizzle of honey on top. They look so delicious and appealing, making them hard to resist. Trust me, this recipe is a must-try, and it's sure to become a favorite in your home. In conclusion, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and let me know how your mini cakes turned out. If you loved this recipe, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for your continued support, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.